So if you come to Dublin, you've got to make sure your Guinness to blood ratio is above 30% all the time. So I've come here to the Guinness Storehouse to see how it's made. Leo's our man, is going to tell us what this is on the floor.
Yeah, well, this is the lease that Arthur Guinness signed on the 31st of December 1759.
Right.
He signed this lease for 9,000 years.
9,000 years.
9,000
Who does
years.
those deals? Why didn't you just buy it?
Well, good question. Okay, Paris, you want to see something cool?
Okay, go for it.
This is my favourite thing in the Guinness Storehouse.
Yeah.
This bottle here. Back in 1959, we were celebrating 200 years of Guinness, and to mark the occasion, what we decided to do is drop 150,000 of these bottles into oceans all over the world.
Right.
And inside each bottle, there was this letter claiming to be from King Neptune.
Who doesn't exist.
Well, debatable. Inside each letter was stuff stating like, "This is King Neptune, God the sea, drink Guinness, it's good for you, it's what the gods drink." Even though we dropped 150,000 60 years ago, they're still being found today.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is basically advertising.
Yes.
So people are finding these bottles all over the world and saying, we've got to drink Guinness because the King of Neptune tells us
This is pretty much, the first version.
And when was the most recent one found?
Certainly the last one I heard about was in March 2018 in the Bahamas.
Wow. So still as much as last year?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
pretty cool.
So that's a 60-year advertising campaign.
60, yeah. Longest running advertisement campaign of all time.
Genius.
It's in the Guinness Book of World Records.
Well, it would be.
Okay, Paris, we're going to see if you're listening.
Okay.
Quiz time.
Go on then.
What year did Arthur Guinness sign the lease?
1759.
For how big a brewery?
Oh, 57 acres.
4.2.
4.2 acres.
It is in 53 and a half now.
53 and a half.
What colour is Guinness?
Rose red.
Ruby.
Ruby red. So we've been taking a look around the Guinness factory and looking at the different ingredients that are used to make Guinness. The first is barley, which is the secret sauce to Guinness because they roast 10% of the barley to give it its dark colour. So this here is what the roasted barley looks like. As you can see, it's very black, and if you smell it, you kind of get a bit of a resemblance of what Guinness smells like. The second is the hops, which gives it that beer flavour, which is used in all beers. The third is yeast, which is used to ferment the beer. And the last one, of course, is water. So it sounds easy. So let's go and make our own beer.